Hello everyone! Today I'm opening with you and trying for the very first time the Platinum Bastion Tactical Shield by ACEDC, more commonly abbreviated to PBTS. That's how most of the community know this slider by. So ACEDC PBTS in stainless steel should be an awesome little slider, very hyped up product from ACEDC. Mostly I think because of the way it looks, very cool design, which draws people in. So let's open it and see what it's all about. Start with the packaging, as always. I will zoom in because in zoom it have better quality. Apocalypse Duel, volume 4. You can see little fidget fighting with this little devil, and this thing is that little shield is the Bastion shield, the product itself, with its cool little red cross. The back, PBTS stainless steel, 38 grams. All the information if you want to Google and it, as always. So let's open it and see what's inside. Trusty little travel knifey. Trying to be very careful. I do not wish to harm the outside packaging. So just stow it away. Put this to the side, and as I always do, some close-up without the glare of the outside nylon. If anyone is interested, zoom out and let's see. Slowly lifting it and put this for a second. Let's ACEDC original. Let's see what we got here. Super duper cool sticker with their creepy little Pinocchio. Very cool sticker. Let's see what else is inside here. That's it. Nothing more in this little packet. ACEDC. I thought it was ACEDC, but it's ACEDC. Another cool little sticker of the Pinocchio. So, some balls and springs and magnets, I think. I don't know. Looks like magnets. Yes, those are magnets. Anyway, yep. And another cool little sticker. So, as always, I will put everything back where it was. Put this to the side. And here it is, the magnificent slider itself. Zoom in so you can capture it in all its glory. That red cross is very, it's a great design. I think everyone bought it because it's a great design. So let's see, I will open it with you right now, and here we go. And it's out. I'm out, here I am. Whoa. Okay, so my madness aside, this is it. Mine is a stainless steel one. PBTS ACEDC. Very cool. Oh, that was great. That was nice. Man, that was great. But just a second, I need to put everything aside as I always do. Just a second. If you do something, you need to do it right. As always, Cool little fidget. Now I'll zoom in. First of all, feels great in the hand. The smooth surfaces feels great, and you can actually feel everything, every little hole here and everything. The PBTS, ACEDC, very cool. That was nice. This the return sound is awesome. Super duper easy to do it one by one. Damn, that's nice. So now, damn, right out of the box, feels excellent, really solid. If one was interested in a great slider, I would have no problem recommending this to him. This return is, I don't know, it touches something within me, I don't know. Very cool. Just a second. I'm sorry. Very cool device. Actually really enjoying it. Feels great in the hand, and I absolutely recommend it to anyone interested. So, as always, I will put it back in its place. The Platinum Bastion Tactical Shield by ACEDC or ACEDC. And as always, thank you for watching. It was great. And hope to see you on the next one. Thank you, and I appreciate each one of you for joining me on this cool little adventure I'm on, cool little journey. So thank you. Goodbye.